I'm making a nice tasty dinner today, delicious meatballs with Harroway's rolled oats. I'm going to add an egg and a couple of tablespoons of tomato sauce. Also got some seasoning. I've got about a teaspoon of curry powder. That's going to go in. And if you've got any fresh herbs, I've got some thyme here and a little bit of parsley as well. And then I've got some dried, whatever herbs you like, to be honest, some mixed herbs, some thyme, some Italian seasoning even. Next ingredients, I've got my beef mince, 500 grams, in it goes. And I've got about 1.5 cups of the Harroway's rolled oats. Lovely New Zealand oats, milled in the South Island. They have been at the same site since 1867. Very nutritious, very versatile oats. I mean, we all know about porridge, obviously, and Anzac biscuits, but also, as you can see here, used in dinners. So that's mixed through. Often in meatballs you might use breadcrumbs, so in this case we have got the rolled oats instead. Very nutritious and tasty too. Also going to add in a small diced onion. Don't need to pre-cook it, it's just going to cook in our meatballs, and a couple of teaspoons, so a clove or two of diced garlic. There we go, that's how it's looking. Ready to form our meatballs. Just got a pan warming up here, a little splash of olive oil. Just going to roll them in my hands. I've got my meatballs here, they are smelling super delicious, just browned off in the pan. I'll put that to one side, and I'll grab myself a second pan. Splash a little olive oil in there. Ready to make our easy meatball sauce. I've got a medium onion diced up. I'm going to add into the pan a couple of teaspoons of finely diced garlic. I'm going to add the rest of our ingredients. A tin of diced tomatoes. Use the flavoured ones if you like. And then I've got the rest of my fresh thyme. Tablespoon of red wine vinegar. The sauce is thickening up now, really lovely smells coming from here. Gonna pour into the pan our meatballs. Just want to check whether you browned your meatballs or whether they are fully cooked through. Here we go. In you go, guys. Here are my finished delicious meatballs with Harroway's rolled oats. I've just cooked up some pasta to serve them on top. We've got the pasta sauce, our meatballs. Finish off with a little cheese if you like. Super tasty, super delicious, nice and nutritious. Got the goodness of rolled oats, that soluble fibre in there.